watermelon? I am going to turn to a watermelon next time. Beef noodles? But look at my tongue, it looks so different. A pear? I feel so thirsty. Water. Done. Please subscribe to him instead of me.